Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the light bulb off of a 2014 Kio Rio. This piece of shit. I thought it would just be a simple, quick, easy, stick your hand in here and or there and do it. No, this son of a biscuit, this whole thing here has to come off. Yeah, I'm being dramatic because I mean it's a pain in the ass. Not like the old days where you can just pop off the screw and put a new one in. So I'm going to show you how to do this, guys, because it is painful. Alright, so you got to replace these thingamajiggies that were here, like so. You got to pop them up. This is the only survivor, the rest broke. You can buy some more at the auto parts store. Here you go, buddy. So and then this is supposed to come off just like this. And you gently place it down like that. And then you take this screw off, and then there's another one over here. There's another screw right there, and then this is supposed to just supposedly unhook. Oh yeah, unhook. You have to unhook this right here. Let me see. I'll figure that out. But take that off, and then this should come off. Let's see. Okay, so it's being a little stubborn, and Elijah here yanked it because it's his car. I didn't want to break it, but go ahead. So that's the piece right there. It all came off, but there is I think I guess that's it's a rail or something, or it just stuck in there. So it was this piece here. You see? That goes into here. And when we pulled on that, I don't know if it broke apart or it just came out, but that's what was holding it on there. Plus it has a little notch here that you can see right here. That notch was stuck in here, and then obviously there was another one over here, I guess, somewhere that goes on here. So anyways, and that's what it looks like without it. And now we should just easily hold that for me. I'm pretty sure either twist, there we go, twist, and voila, there it is. We're gonna go get that and replace it. I hope this helps somebody. Follow, like, and subscribe as usual. Any questions, let us know. We can, if we're in the area, we'll go and beat the crap out of your car and treat it like this and fix it for you as well. All right, guys. See you in the next one. You okay? Okay. All right, guys. So if you can see in here, I don't know if you can see. Where is it? Right down in here. Can you see that right there? Yeah. Elijah, where my finger's at? That has to go back in there. You see it?
Yep.
Then you give it a good push. All I did was hit it, and it's aligned up here. Make sure that this is in here, and it is. And then you start putting your screws back on. This one goes up here, and a lot of you can skip this video, but believe it or not, there's some of you are challenged like I am, and you still need to see, well, how do you put it back together? Can you do a video on putting it back together? I'm like, really? Like my grandfather said, the way you took it off is the way you put it back on. I don't know what's so hard about that. Yeah, but can I see a video of you putting it back on? Because I can't get it to go back in there. So this is for you guys. You challenged. It's still in the morning. I'm tongue-tied because it's too early in the morning. I haven't had my coffee. So people that are challenged, like me, say challenge for me.
Challenged?
Yes, like that. See, he pronounced it correctly. I did it. And this is how you do it. And then you try to yank it. Yeah, it's not going nowhere. And of course, I'm going to use, this is a 10 millimeter. I forgot to say that. I've seen videos that I didn't know how to do this, so I did look at some other YouTube videos, but they're not as entertaining as mine, by the way. So in any case, this is a 10 millimeter, okay? And that's what you use to screw them on or screw them off or whatever you want to say it. And then everything you just put back together as normal. All right, thank you.